We at Siemens believe that change is inevitable.
The world is changing and we need to find other sources that people can consume energy.
You need to think about how you connect the dots of electrification.
When you have solar and maybe wind as well, you can create your own grid, which is very localized.
We need to think of a better way of supplying that energy to society, to businesses, to make that growth happen in a sustainable manner.
You need to be connected at all times.
Connecting nature to the solution, we actually contribute less carbon emissions.
When you have access to energy, then it means the society will also be boosted in a greater way.
And naturally, everybody connects to the bigger picture. So people start talking. So you're actually empowering people to do things that they never did before.
Siemens has set the target to be carbon neutral as a company by the year 2030.
The solution that we came onto is the DES, Distributed Energy System.
And then we looked at how can we integrate it with the existing infrastructure.
And what that incorporates is a renewable energy source, city power grid supply. We have a diesel generator coming in, and we have battery storage, which we've now incorporated into the system.
The MicroGrid Controller is basically the brain that sits in the center and controls all the assets.
So when you have them connected, then you can actually optimize how you use energy.
And what we produced was a system that was able to forecast weather. It was able to predict our energy usage.
It constantly learns.
This is an Africanized solution. We can do it with local capabilities, with local knowledge. It's a world first in the Siemens portfolio.
Currently, we are saving about 40% of electricity cost at our campus.
And that money is better invested elsewhere, in our people, in infrastructure.
Where in the past you'd have a plunk, power would go off, and then the diesel generator would kick in. However, now we have seamless switching between a different generation source. So from a reliability perspective, Siemens Park is actually probably one of the most reliable buildings you'll come across.
The larger drive was to see how we can take this solution and drive it as an effort to our customers.
Could also be a hospital, could also be a larger hotel, could be a government building, could also be a village somewhere in Africa.
Some of these rural communities can start connecting with the world, which they never did, finding trends that are happening in global perspectives, start business ideas. This then helps create jobs.
When I look at all these benefits, really I see a very bright future for Africa as a continent.
We as Siemens are here for Africa.